Look at the width. I mean, it's about wider than me. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us back here in Michigan at the Beemer Fam HQ, where we have our manual M6 Gran Coupe, around 750 horsepower, Mesitershaft exhaust, downpipes, stage 2 tune. But as you can see by the title and thumbnail of today's video, this car is going to get some mods. So you can see the car is pretty much stock aside from the carbon fiber spoiler that looks really good on the trunk. Full GT HAUS Mesitershaft exhaust, Catback, and it also has VRSF downpipes, catless downpipes. But you can see these are the factory 20-inch wheels. They look really good, kind of subtle sleeper spec on the car, but you're gonna see, we're gonna swap these out today for a much more aggressive look. To the front of the car, Black Sapphire Metallic, just looks so good on this car. Here are the wheels. I wanna give a huge shout out to Fitment Industries. They went ahead and set this set over for us to put on the M6. We're running 315 tires on the back thanks to Fitment Industries. So if you guys do need any wheels, tires, suspension, and other car parts, check out fitmentindustries.com/BeemerFam or click those links in the description. They're pretty much the best one-stop shop to get the correct tire sizes and wheel sizes for your car. You can literally type in what car you have and they have the full database on what wheels actually fit your car. But with that being said, let's open these things up and see what they look like. As you can see, the packaging is proper. I mean, you got cardboard, styrofoam. Oh my god. Then you got the wheels. So this right here is the front wheel that's gonna go on the M6. So 20x10 in the front, running Nitto tires. Just proper stuff right here. Bronze RFX-11s from Rohana. That's nice. I mean, we're gonna run probably the OEM roundels on this, but this, I don't know, this might look good as is. We're just gonna have to find out, play with it. Probably the best thing about Fitment is the wheels and tires come mounted in balance. So all you have to do is put them on the car. So you can see right here, there's even proof that these things were mounted and balanced. Look at the width. I mean, it's about wider than me. That's crazy. Like I mentioned, 315s in the rear, 20x11. All right, let's see what they look like next to the wheels so we kind of get an idea what they're gonna look like. All right, so from this angle, you can kind of see what they're gonna look like. Oh my God. Oh, that is just a lot of meat, a lot of tire. Definitely get a lot more grip. Nearly 800 horsepower. You see the kind of before and after. What do you guys think? I think this is gonna look sick, especially with the exhaust. So last thing to do is go ahead and head over to the tire shop and get these things installed. Join us in the V10 M5. You can hear the M6 from behind us. So we got one wheel in the trunk of this car. The rest of the three wheels are in the M6. So. Got the wheel off, you can kind of get a close look up at those brakes. Beautiful. So we actually got some spacers that are going to go in the car as well. looking so good right now. But it's kind of cool to see they kind of match the Mesitershaft exhaust given the age. See it from the front. Oh wow. Oh yeah, so you can see it with the cloudy lighting. A little bit of rain out. That's just way better. So as you can see, the M6 has the new Rohana RFX-11s installed. It's looking incredible. Up close you can really see the sparkle of the bronze. Probably my favorite angle. It's kind of this rear quarter right back here. The spoiler on there, the Mesitershaft exhaust, and now the 20-inch wheel. So the spacers really helped out with the fitment in the back to match the front. Really look good. So we have a lot of kind of minor modifications to do from here on out. So for example, obviously we have the carbon fiber body kit, front splitter, side skirts, and diffuser. We're also talking about blacking out the reflector, getting rid of the chrome, making it black, and then adding a carbon fiber GT3 style diffuser on the car as well. It's got roughly around 750 horsepower as is, so performance mods is pretty much good to go. Carless downpipes, catback, Mesitershaft exhaust, and a stage 2 tune from Alpine Motorsports. The rest is pretty much cosmetics. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.